Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's 99 here. My second video of the day. If you haven't seen my first video, I'll put the link down in the description below. So today, I'm going to be unboxing a new PS4 headset. Again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the last video. So here we're unboxing the Karma stereo headset for PlayStation 4 and PlayStation Vita. Paid $35 for it. So let's read the back. Oh, sorry about the plastic ripping stuff. It was in my trunk and in my car. So, yeah, actually, let's take it out of the plastic before we read the back. So let's read the back. Controls are easy to find at moment's notice. Compatible with most MP3 smartphones and mobile devices. Includes everything needed to connect to any version of the PS4 and PS Vita. Ergonomically designed for extreme comfort and extended gaming sessions. And precision balanced 44 millimeter speakers with neodymium. I'm not sure how to say that. Magnets provide superior sound quality. And durable and flexible performance microphone. So, what's from the box? Just back of the box. Let's open it up. Where do we open this from? Oh my, the box is just awesome. The packaging. This is nice packaging. I'm just gonna run. Oh, there's tape. My trusty knife. Ah, come on. I don't want to rip the box when I'm doing this. Okay, good. Got that piece. Oh my god, sorry. Oh, come on. I almost got it. Okay, looks like we're just cutting the tape off from underneath here. Come on, guys, why'd you make it so hard? Unpack freaking box. Oh, got it. So let's open this in here. Just put this side. So there's tape somewhere else. Nope. Okay, so let's pull it. Okay, so what we have, that's what it looks like right straight unboxed. We have, put this over here. We have a stop for you experience any setup or mechanical problems with this. Okay, it's this thing. This contents, okay, it comes with a little connector, the cable for the PS3 and PS4. Okay, it's just telling me how to set it up. Let's just get to unboxing the whole headset. So just pull it up, pull it out. Keeping that box too. Okay, I'm just gonna undo that. Ooh, here's a headset. Oh my. This is like the best feeling headset in the world. Look at this. Let's put it on. I'm gonna have to extend that a bit. Works. Doesn't like. They're gonna be out. Where's your mama? Make you so look so ridiculous. Yeah, this works, guys. Okay, here's a cord for it. pretty nice, if I had to say so myself. Yeah, this looks like a really nice headset. Boom come out? Doesn't, but that's okay. Oh, it even has right and left on it. Sweet. Anyways, so that was the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, it always helps, and comment down below on suggestions. And if you haven't noticed yet, I changed my lighting around a little bit. I tried to start recording at a different time of the day. So if you guys like this better, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.